A to Z with flowers. Learn and recognize flowers with alphabets, with facts about flowers. We have tried to provide you all the flowers list starting from A to Z, and also presented amazing facts along with flower name. A for aster. Fact: an aster flower is actually a collection of very tiny tubular flowers, grouped together in a central disc, and surrounded by so-called ray flowers or petals. B for bluebell. Fact: over half the world's populations of these iconic wildflowers grow in the UK. It takes several years for a native bluebell seed to grow into a bulb and subsequently flower. C for cherry blossom. Fact: you'll only find cherry blossoms in a handful of countries. Japan, in particular, is home to hundreds of types of cherry trees, possibly more than 600, by more liberal estimates. D for dahlia. Fact: it is believed that these flowers were given their name by Antonio José Cavanilles, director of the Royal Gardens, Madrid. He actually named the flower after another botanist named Anders Dahl. E for echinacea. Fact: echinacea is a perennial herb with slender, rough leaves arranged opposite each other on a stem, that grows to a height of about 18 in 45 centimeters, and produces a single large purplish flower. F for freesia. Fact: freesia develops from the swollen, conically shaped underground stem, called a corm, which looks like a solid bulb. G for gardenia. Fact: gardenia is small evergreen trees or shrubs, and grows between 1 to 15 meters, 3.3 to 49 feet, tall. 142 species have been discovered in the gardenia family. H for hibiscus. Fact: hibiscus, also known as rose mallow, is a plant that belongs to the mallow family. There are over 200 species of hibiscus that can be found in the warm and tropical regions all over the world. I for iris. Fact: the name of iris comes from the Greek word which means rainbow. Iris can produce white, yellow, orange, pink, purple, lavender, blue, or brown colored flowers. J for jasmine. Fact: jasmine flowers is a genus of plants we call Jasminum. There are actually well over 200 species of the plant, and they come in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes. K for Kniphofia. Fact: the scientific name is named after Johann H. Kniphhoff, an 18th century German physician and botanist. Other common names: torch lily, poker plant. L for lotus. Fact: the lotus flower has an important status in Vietnam and India. It is called their national flower. Lotus flower is mainly cultivated for a water garden as it is an aquatic flower. M for marigold. Fact: they come in a variety of colors such as orange, red, maroon, yellow, or even mixed. Marigolds thrive during spring, summer, and autumn, but definitely not during the winter. N for Nigella. Fact: Nigella is a genus of about 20 species in the family Ranunculaceae, native to Europe, North Africa, and Asia. The plant has beautiful, showy flowers surrounded by unusual, thread-like leaves. O for orchid. Fact: orchids are the largest family of flowering plants. They have also been around the longest as they are one of the oldest flowers in existence, found all over the world. P for peony. Fact: peony is best known for its large flowers with numerous petals. Flowers can reach up to 10 inches in diameter. They are bowl-shaped and available in all colors except blue. Q for Queen Anne's lace. Fact: Queen Anne's lace or wild carrot, whose scientific name is Daucus carota, is a white flowering plant that belongs to the Apiaceae family, the same family that also produces edible carrots we so commonly use. R for rose. Fact: roses come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and shades, making them a truly diverse flower and a favorite in yards across the country. Most rose varieties are grown by budding on an understalk, lower portion of a plant, propagated from seeds or cuttings. S for sunflower. Fact: sunflower is the only flower with flower in its name. Helianthus is the scientific name of sunflower, Helia for sun and anthus for flower. The sunflower, Helianthus annuus, is a living annual plant in the family Asteraceae, with a large flower head, capitulum. T for tulip. Fact: tulips can be classified into around 150 different species, yet there are more than 3,000 normally occurring and genetically developed assortments of the flower around the world. U for Umbrella Magnolia. Fact: Umbrella magnolias have large shiny leaves 30 to 50 centimeters long, spreading from stout stems. In a natural setting, the umbrella magnolia can grow 15 meters tall. Umbrella magnolia grows well in deep, moist soils along streams. It grows as an understory tree in the wild. V for violet. Fact: violets, viola, are a genus of spring flowering plants in the family Violaceae. There are around 400 to 500 species of violets in the genus. Violets are native to the temperate northern hemisphere and are also distributed in Hawaii, Australasia, and the Andes in South America. W for waterlily. Fact: the tropical water lilies are strictly warm water plants. They cannot tolerate water temperatures below 60 F and most will fail to thrive in water temperatures below 70 F. Tropical water lilies tend to have larger and more colorful flowers that are held on stalks above the water. X for Zyres. Fact: Zyres is a genus of flowering plants, the yellow-eyed grasses, in the yellow-eyed grass family. The genus counts over 250 species, widespread over much of the world, with the center of distribution in the Guianas. Y for yellow bell. Fact: common names include yellow trumpet bush, yellow bells, yellow elder, ginger thomas. Tacoma stands are the official flower of the United States Virgin Islands and the floral emblem of the Bahamas. Yellow trumpet bush is an attractive plant that is cultivated as an ornamental. Z for zinnia. Fact: zinnias are popular garden flowers because they come in a wide range of flower colors and shapes, and they can withstand hot summer temperatures, and are easy to grow from seeds. They are grown in fertile, humus-rich, and well-drained soil, in an area with full sun.